19th, Tuesday, the 19th, December 19th. We got an incredible amount of snow in Henderson, Nevada. 2006. 196 is our address. 2006 is the year.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Man, it doesn't show signs of stopping. Now pop me some corn for popping.
Black Mountain. Well, yeah, it's Black Mountain, right?
Let it snow.
Black Mountain, covered with snow. Or part of Black Mountain.
When we finally kiss goodnight.
Trees are covered with snow. Watch out for a car coming.
Hold me tight.
Careful. Careful. Wave, Rhea. Wave.